Ready to uncover the mysteries of Transylvania? In today's video, we're exploring Transylvania and diving into one of its most iconic landmarks, Dracula's castle. But is it really worth the visit? From the eerie legends surrounding the castle to the stunning views of the Carpathian Mountains, we'll explore the history, myths, and beauty of this fascinating region. Whether you're a fan of vampire lore or simply looking for a unique adventure, Transylvania has something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling travel stories and hidden gems around the world. 10. Visit Dracula's castle, Bran Castle. Undoubtedly one of the most famous landmarks in Transylvania, Bran Castle is often referred to as Dracula's castle due to its association with Bram Stoker's fictional novel. While there is no evidence that Stoker had Bran Castle in mind when writing about Count Dracula, the fortress's Gothic architecture and its location on a cliff make it a perfect fit for the vampire lore. So, is it worth the visit? If you're a fan of Dracula or simply fascinated by the legend, Bran Castle is a must-see. Just don't expect to encounter any real vampires, only rich history, beautiful architecture, and stunning views. 9. Explore the medieval town of Siasora. Known as one of the best-preserved medieval towns in Europe, Siasora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a charming glimpse into Transylvania's past. This picturesque town is the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, that historical figure who inspired the Dracula legend. Siasora is a fantastic blend of history, legend, and local culture, offering a delightful atmosphere that makes it one of Transylvania's top attractions. Whether you're a history buff or just someone who loves quaint, charming towns, Siasora is a must-visit. 8. Hike the Carpathian Mountains. Transylvania is home to the breathtaking Carpathian Mountains, offering some of the most stunning hiking and outdoor experiences in Europe. The mountain range spans over 1,000 kilometers, offering a variety of trails suitable for all levels of hikers, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. The Fagaras Mountains are particularly popular, with routes that take you through rugged landscapes, alpine meadows, and deep valleys. One of the most famous hikes in the Carpathians is the trek to Transfagarasan Highway, often considered one of the most scenic roads in the world, which winds through the mountains and offers incredible views of the surrounding area. For wildlife enthusiasts, the Carpathians are home to bears, wolves, and lynx, so be on the lookout for wildlife sightings during your hike. The region's untouched beauty makes the Carpathian Mountains an essential experience for nature lovers visiting Transylvania. 7. Discover Palace Castle, a royal masterpiece. Located near the town of Sinaia, Palace Castle is a stunning example of Neo-Renaissance architecture and one of Romania's most beautiful castles. This fairy tale-like structure was built in the late 19th century as the summer residence of Romania's royal family. The castle's grandeur is evident in its ornate interiors, which feature lavish rooms, intricate woodwork, and beautiful stained glass windows. The castle is surrounded by lush forests and gardens, offering a serene and picturesque setting. While Bran Castle may steal the spotlight due to its Dracula association, Palace Castle is a hidden gem that is often overlooked but well worth visiting for its beauty and historical significance. 6. Explore the fortified churches of Transylvania. Transylvania is home to many fortified churches, which were built by the Saxon communities as a defense against invaders. These churches are an impressive blend of architecture and history, offering insight into the region's medieval past. One of the best examples is the Bearden Fortified Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the 15th century. The church is surrounded by sturdy walls and towers, offering a glimpse into how the Saxons lived and protected themselves during turbulent times. Other notable fortified churches in the region include Prejmer, Viskri, and Harman. A visit to these churches is not only a fascinating journey into the past, but also an opportunity to experience the unique cultural heritage of Transylvania. 5. Visit the painted monasteries of northern Moldavia. Though not technically in Transylvania, the painted monasteries of northern Moldavia are a must-see for anyone exploring Romania. These UNESCO-listed sites are famous for their incredible frescoes, which cover the exterior walls of the churches and depict scenes from the Bible and religious history. The most famous of these monasteries is Voronet, known as the Sistine Chapel of the East, for its stunning blue frescoes. Other notable monasteries include Susvita and Moldavita. These monasteries are a beautiful and unique part of Romania's cultural heritage, offering visitors a chance to witness one of the country's most extraordinary artistic traditions. 4. Visit the medieval town of Brașov. Located at the foot of the Carpathian Mountains, Brașov is a charming medieval town that offers a mix of history, architecture, and natural beauty. The town is famous for its stunning black church, a Gothic masterpiece, as well as its council square, where you'll find beautiful buildings and cafes. Brașov also serves as a gateway to many other Transylvanian attractions, including Poiana Brașov, a popular ski resort. If you're visiting Bran Castle, Brașov is just a short drive away, making it an excellent base for exploring the region. 3. Take a tour of the Turda Salt Mine. One of the most unique attractions in Transylvania is the Turda Salt Mine, located near the town of Turda. This massive salt mine has been transformed into a fascinating underground amusement park, complete with a Ferris wheel, mini golf, and boat rides. The mine is a marvel of engineering and offers a surreal experience as you descend into the depths of the earth. Visitors can explore the underground chambers, learn about the history of salt mining, and enjoy the unique atmosphere of this one-of-a-kind attraction. 2. Go wine tasting in Transylvania. Transylvania is known for its exceptional wines, particularly those produced in the Tarnava region. The area is home to several vineyards and wineries that offer wine tasting tours. You can sample a range of local wines, from reds to whites, and learn about the centuries-old traditions of winemaking in the region. Visiting a winery in Transylvania is a great way to experience the local culture, enjoy some delicious wine, and take in the beautiful scenery of the rolling hills and vineyards. 1. Explore the haunted forests of Hoia Bașiu. For those who love a good mystery, Hoia Bașiu Forest is a must-visit, known as the Bermuda Triangle of Romania. This eerie forest near Cluj-Napoca is famous for its strange happenings, including reports of paranormal activity, disappearing people, and unexplained lights. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the forest's eerie atmosphere makes it a fascinating place to explore. Explore the eerie Hoia Bașiu Forest in Romania, known as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania. Shrouded in mystery, the forest is infamous for strange phenomena, disappearing people, unexplainable lights, and bizarre tree shapes. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.